In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a plugin is needed to display on this content. So to resolve this issue, firstly you need to uninstall Java in your PC or laptop. So click on Start, then type Add or Remove. Open Add or Remove Programs. Now in this app list, you need to find out Java. Now click on these three dots and uninstall. Again click on uninstall. Now open any web browser, then type java.com. Now click on Java download. Now click on agree and start free download. Now install this latest version of Java. Click on install. Once you have successfully installed Java, close it and restart your PC. And in some case it will ask verify, so just you need to click on verify. So by these simple and easy steps we can resolve and fix a plugin is needed to display this content. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.